is Celeste Brinkhuis, and my project is on Was There a Culture War? A Bayesian analysis of partisan polarization and secular trends in U.S. public opinion. I primarily looked at a 2020 study by Delia Baldassari and Barham Park that examined this issue. The major research questions were: has the American public become polarized along party lines on moral issues, and how does the secularization process and issue partisanship shape public opinion? As the slide shows, there are two principal mechanisms of opinion change: issue partisanship, which is the sorting of political preferences along partisan lines, and secular trends, the collective movement towards more progressive positions. So the data were categorized into 4 issue domains: moral, economic, civil rights, and security/foreign policy. The model chosen to summarize the opinion trends was a multi-level beta regression model, as the data has a hierarchical structure with time nested within issues. Each domain had a separate model fitted to it as well. For each issue domain, they modeled the outcome as a function of partisanship, time, and their interaction. And all of the models were estimated using a Bayesian approach, where they were assigned weekly informative priors to all parameters. The next couple slides show some of the specifications of the modeling, as well as part of the R code for the Hamiltonian Monte Carlo algorithm they ran in order to get their results. When it came to economic and civil rights, the speed at which Republicans and Democrats were sorting themselves into the right ideological camps has increased over time. However, in the moral sphere, the changing differences between Democrats and Republicans is a reflection of the differential rate at which Democrats and Republicans become liberal, rather than signs of a diverging trend. Even with nonlinear time trends, it's observed that issues in the moral domain show a distinct pattern of growing liberalism, where Democrats are moving ahead of Republicans, while the partisan groups are moving in opposite directions on economic and civil rights issues. Taken together, it seems safe to conclude that issues in the economic and civil rights domain follow a pattern of growing issue partisanship,